What's going on, guys? Today I want to show you guys a quick view of a new ROM that I just found out. And I say new because it's new to me. I don't know how long it's been out, but anyway, it's called OmniVerse. Now this ROM, it has a lot of features, so if you guys like features, you're gonna love this ROM. So without further ado, guys, let's get into it. As you can see, it's nice and fast. And let's go into the settings. Well, you've seen the rest. Everything else is the same as every other ROM, but this right here, this is what we would come here for. As you can see, we have a bunch of options here. We'll start with style. If you go to Omniverse themes, you have a bunch of pre-made themes that you can just choose and change on the fly. We also have custom header image. As you can see, we have a custom header, Aquaman. We have, you can just choose whatever you want. I mean, they have so many images and options here. If you go Game of Thrones, see, so that's that. If we go to device features, we have device gestures for everybody there. We also have ambient display. We got the hand wave, the pocket, the pickup, you name it, we got it. We have here the vibrator strength. We have call strength, notification strength, and you can define each however you want. And that's a feature that I like, because I hate when ROMs don't give you this option and they just give you the option to turn on or off. I don't like that. But this one does have it, so you could just choose however you want to have your vibration strength, whatever. Then we have the slider, we have the graphics, we got the high brightness mode, just in case you go out to the sun, which I don't think you guys go out there to the sun. Just kidding, guys. We have the panel modes for whatever color you want, profile, and then we also have, let's see, we got bars. Here we got the network traffic. We got the hide the notch, old mobile type style. We got the double tap to sleep. We got the arrow keys. We got the legacy app scaling. I got those selected because when I play those games, I want to be able to utilize the whole screen real estate, and I wanted to ignore the notch. So if you want that, you would include those in there. So let's see what else we got here. We got buttons. We got volume panel on the left. So when you first install the ROM, it'll come like this on the right. I don't like it on the right, I like it on the left. So I have it on the left. We have music control for your music while the screen is off, to change it, rewind it, whatever you want to do. We have show navigation bar, which is off for me because obviously I have the OnePlus gestures. And we have enabled advanced start. That's something that I always turn on, because there's times when you're gonna go straight to recovery, and I really don't like to be doing that, holding the volume or holding the power. So here, all you gotta do is just hold the power, you press restart, and you get those options: bootloader, recovery, or just the regular system restart. We also have the long press for flashlight. So that's similar to torch. You have the screen off, hold the power, flashlight turns on. We got proximity check. We have the recent style. You could choose default or omni switch. We also have, let's see, lock screen. We have the weather. So, you could just adjust how you want your weather icons and everything. And one of the best features on this ROM that I like is this right here on the bottom. Auto unlock on trusted face. It's really fast. As soon as it recognizes you, it goes in. No swiping, none of that stuff. And that's what I like. Let's see if I could show you guys. See that? That was very fast. And I didn't have to swipe anything, nothing. So that's on the lock screen settings. If you go to weather, here you could adjust whatever service you want. You could choose the icon pack. Let's see what else we have. We have display colors. You could mess with this to, whatever your preference is. We got fingerprint. We got the vibration. And we also have this. This is another feature that I like that a lot of custom ROMs are including in the ROMs, is that you can put a custom icon for your fingerprint. I like that. I like that a lot. We got the system UI tuner. Again, we have other options here that I really don't mess with. We got the status bar. Here you have, you know, any icons that you don't want to see in the status bar, you can remove them. We have the do not disturb. We got notification bar. If I had the on-screen keys, I'll be able to configure the navigation bar and just adjust it however I want. We got the lock screen, same old thing. You could just show the charging, the watts, the current, the temperature. Always show battery. You got your shortcuts, you know. And yeah, and I think that's pretty much it. Now, I don't mess with this, but let me tell you guys, this ROM has a lot of features. They're all great, but I did have, I don't know if to call them bugs because I'm not sure if they're bugs, but if you look at here, next to the Wi-Fi, in between the Wi-Fi and the battery, there's that little triangle. You see the bars going up and down? You see that? Okay. So when you're not on Wi-Fi, let me show you. And when you're not on LTE, you see that? I get no signal. And that's weird because I get signal everywhere. Maybe some places are spotty than others, but you see, if that happens, I don't have LTE or I don't have Wi-Fi, I should be able to make a phone call, but I don't think I can. So if we turn on LTE, you'll see that, boom, it goes back into like full mode. The X is gone. We can make phone calls now. Now, I just thought it was weird. It didn't really affect. It didn't affect me in any way. I was able to make phone calls, send texts, you name it. I was able to do it. But I just thought it was weird because I haven't seen it in other ROMs. Maybe it's not even the ROM. Maybe I did something wrong. I don't know. Maybe I installed 9.013 instead of 9.012. Nonetheless, it didn't really affect my day. What did affect my day was I had a bug where I had to restart my phone twice because every time I would click on an icon like this, nothing would launch. You would just see the icon being pressed, but nothing would launch, and that I couldn't continue. You know, I had to restart it twice, so finally it was working after the second restart. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for all the support you guys been giving me. Thank you for the encouragement, the likes, the comments. I appreciate it. I like everything, and I will continue to do more reviews, or not reviews, but hands-on, and I will continue to do more of those. If you guys want to see any ROM that you guys want to see, just let me know in the comments. I know we have some already that ask for the AOSIP. We have that coming, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, guys. I appreciate all that. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.